Creating animated videos using AI, including models like ChatGPT, involves a combination of text generation, audio synthesis, and visual animation tools. While ChatGPT can assist in script creation, other tools are required for voice synthesis and animation. Here's a step-by-step guide. Script creation with ChatGPT. Use ChatGPT to generate a script. You can ask it to create dialogues, monologues, or any narrative structure. Refine the script as needed. Voice synthesis. Several AI tools can transform text into speech. Google Cloud Text-to-Speech converts text into over 100+ voices across more than 20 languages. OpenAI GPT 3.5 with 15B parameters includes voice synthesis capabilities. Amazon Polly turns text into lifelike speech using deep learning. IBM Watson Text-to-Speech converts text to various supported languages. Choose one of these tools to transform your script into speech. Opt for a voice that matches the tone and content of your script. Animation. Pre-made animation tools. Tools like Vyond or Powtoon allow you to create animations by selecting characters, backgrounds, and props from a library. You can then synchronize the generated voiceover with the animations. Custom AI-powered animation. DeepArt.io or Runway ML. Turn your visuals or storyboard into stylized animations using neural networks. EB-Synth, a tool that can animate paintings or stylized images based on a keyframe approach. Real-time animation with AI. NVIDIA Face Scan can animate faces in real time. Puppeteer, an AI-driven tool that can animate characters in real time based on input, suitable for interactive animations. Synchronize audio with animation. Once you have your animations and voiceovers ready, use video editing software, like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or free options like DaVinci Resolve, to synchronize the voiceover with the animations. Add background music or sound effects as needed. Export and share. After synchronization, export your video in the desired format and share it on platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, or social media. Tips. Refinement is key. AI-generated content often needs refinement. Ensure your script, voiceover, and animations are coherent and aligned with your objectives. Stay updated. The field of AI is rapidly evolving. New tools and software emerge regularly that can make the process easier or offer better results. Test and iterate. Animation and storytelling are as much art as they are science. It's essential to test your videos with a target audience and refine based on feedback. By combining AI tools, you can significantly reduce the time and effort traditionally required to produce animated videos. However, a touch of human creativity and judgment ensures the output remains engaging and relevant.